Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chocolate popcorn. First, you'll need to pop about 8 cups of popcorn. You can use an air popper, stovetop, or microwave. Just make sure it's fresh and fluffy. Carefully remove any unpopped kernels to avoid any surprises. Then, spread your prepared popcorn in a single layer on a large baking sheet lined with parchment paper. This ensures even coating. Next, let's prepare our chocolate. You'll need about 12 ounces of your favorite chocolate chips, whether milk, dark, or semi-sweet. Melt them gently in a double boiler or microwave, stirring frequently until completely smooth and glossy. For an extra shine and easier coating, stir in 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. This also helps the chocolate set nicely on the popcorn. Now for the fun part. Drizzle the melted chocolate evenly over your spread-out popcorn. Use a spatula or your hands to gently toss and mix, ensuring every piece gets a good coating of that delicious chocolate. Once coated, spread the popcorn back into a single layer on the baking sheet. Let it cool and set completely at room temperature or in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. Once your chocolate popcorn is fully set, break it into bite-sized pieces if there are any large clumps. This delightful treat is perfect for movie nights or as a sweet snack anytime. Store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days to keep it fresh. Don't forget to check the description below for the link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.